My TikTok went crazy the other day because I went and I said that people are working in Jamaica cannot afford to buy plantain after it, and people start eat up themselves in the comments. Okay, so I'm back home after exploring, go Ochi, go Mobe, go all over. But I've been job hunting. I've been job hunting. My TikTok went crazy the other day because I went and I said that people are working in Jamaica cannot afford to buy plantain after working for an hour. And that's true, it's very real. You work, some jobs are offering you like $350, that's minimum wage, $375 minimum wage per hour. And some jobs offer $400, $490 to $500. One plantain in a Jamaica up at $200, $150 to $200 for one plantain, and them not big, them not long. Get that? So I made a comment about it, and people start eat up themselves in the comments. Eat up themselves, eat up other people, eat up me, and all I was stating was some facts. Anyways, if you're not on my TikTok, follow my TikTok, D the Traveler, DEETHETRAVELER, D the Traveler on TikTok and Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post frequently there. Yeah, I post a lot of travel content there, and sometimes I just post my opinion, post my 2 cents, and I allow you to comment back your 2 cents as well. Yeah. Alright, hopefully you can see me clearly. But yeah, imagine you work one entire hour for one plantain. No, these jobs in Jamaica. So yeah, backstory, I used to live in Japan for 5 years, taught English there. Circumstances, I moved home. I moved back to Jamaica to be closer to my family, right? No, me there a breeze, you know, skate pan a tool. I know a time for milk one job. So I've been job hunting and whatever. Baby girl, tell me no. First of all, companies now put out how much to my pay as salary. That is the first like a red flag. So anyways, I've been applying more, so what is around, the lighting keep go bright and out. Why am I say? Anyways, that is besides the point. So that's the first red flag. Companies now advertise much of the salary. Now the next thing now, so there was one place called me. Somebody called me. Come and apply for multiple jobs, and somebody called me. Why? So the lighting kind of off, but never mind that, right? So companies now post them salary. Anyways, I've been apply. So I apply for one job, right? I don't know why my clothes look so linked up. Anyways, so I apply for one job, right? So of course people keep on saying, you know, take off your, some companies have to take off your bachelor's off for your resume because I'm not gonna hire you, because I'm not gonna afford you, whatever. Anyways, me keep on my bachelor's because me go through U for 3 years. 3 years me go U for. Not to take off my bachelor's off of my resume. So maybe not apply, you know, whatever. I do believe in transferable skills. A whole heap of skills I learn. I'm adaptable, I'm flexible, I learn how to deal with different people, different personalities, all of that by living internationally. Anyways, somebody got called now. So I like you're supposed to be like one assessment officer or something like that. What? Why you got offer me $490 to $500 an hour? What? These recordings too long. Anyways, so why you got offer me $500 an hour? How you survive on $500 an hour? So when the lady offered me that, I said, alright, you know what, cool. She said, you open to think about it. I'm not gonna be rude to one recruiter. I mean, that's what them can't afford. That's what them pay. So I say, yeah, I'm open to recruiter. I'm not be polite. Anyways, me start think about, you know, I go up on the road and me's a person who just walk and look on things where my mind wants some breeze out. So I go on the road and I walk and I look on something. I think, in the supermarket, I'm talk about plantain, right? So, you know, some places are between, she said $490 to $500, right? Now when I talk about plantain, one plantain of $216. So I can't even, when I work, I can't even afford 2 plantain, and 1 plantain I can't afford. What? So when I done do that now, so alright, so the plantain of $216. Cup of potato, like half pound of potato for $250. Cause me there Jamaica now, I start go market and something. I buy 1 plantain and 1 pound of potato, and that's all I can afford after working for 1 hour. Listen, like, and then me no come on the internet for bash government and nothing like that. But then them say, yo, them a create employments for Jamaicans and something. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, that makes, imagine you go and then is a outpour the amount of university people are, the amount of students who are graduating from university, and then the amount of jobs that in Jamaica can have. Like, listen, me there I calculate yesterday. If me they take the university money, me should have buy one taxi. Me should have convinced my parents to buy me one like a taxi, put on the road, and me could have make bigger returns right now from the university. Anyways, it's time for me to wrap up this vlog because I want to start using my camera as a big girl. I'm gonna need to edit so many videos, and I'm job hunting as well. The girl is tired, the girl is trained, but I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching and keeping up with me. I look tired because I am. I'm going to eat and get some sleep. I hope you're doing well. I hope you like, share, subscribe. Bye.